health infrastructure in Rajasthan. Hospitals are, I mean to say, district hospital and attached to medical college hospital, their number is 127. Medical colleges are 13 in number, out of which 8 medical colleges are in government sector and 5 are private medical colleges. In the same way, other health institutions, their total number is more than 15,000. To promote private sector investment in healthcare, ensure quality of the healthcare at reasonable cost, promote development of the centers of the excellence, promote Rajasthan as a medical tourism destination, to development and alternative medicine centers, to develop super specialty healthcare institutions. Why medical tourism? Medical tourism, why in Rajasthan? Ours is a state of heritage city, as you all know. Most of the big cities and towns are situated on the national highways, global tourist destination, well-connected part of the Golden Triangle. First world-class treatment available in our state at the third world rate. Size of the Indian medical tourism currently to the tune of 15 billion and has to be expected 50 to 100 billion in next few years, growing at the rate of 30% per annum. Additional revenue for the market tertiary hospital-wise. This is a survey of 2012 by Mr. Kingsley study. Hospitality industry, state share in the national, foreign and domestic tourist arrival around 11.2% in terms of the national and 3.3% domestic. Developed tourist infrastructure, more than 6,000 5-star or 7-star rooms in scattered 150 hotels all over the country, all over the state, place on leaves for most luxurious train in the world, and the number of the tourists is likely to be increased by a rate of 7% per annum. To promote private investment in the healthcare facility in the year 2006, a policy was and that policy was formulated by the Medical Planning and Resource Committee, and the land was allocated to the certain leading hospital, including Narayana Super Specialty Hospital, Fortis Escort, EHC Hospital, Manipal Hospital and Basic Education Society all over the state. Policy amended in the 2011 and land concession and tax rebate will be as per needs and subject to the change time to time. Challenges availability of the land and the provision of the tax rebates in electricity, stamp duty and others, clearance, licenses, fire safety, environment, pollution control board, clinical establishment act. Land should be available at the place of the tourist importance where there is a good road and air connectivity and world-class hotel facility. Shortage of the manpower in the healthcare in the remote and far-flung area and broad and super specialty. Time lag in various clearance, single window system has to be strengthened. Lack of the awareness about the preventive health care and personal hygiene. Opportunities, huge unmet demand of the health care in the state, limited financial resources available to the government of Rajasthan due to the very high expenditure in the other social department and social services. Super specialty facilities, high-end diagnostic and treatment facilities in the medical college hospitals has to be improved. Deluxe cottages, rooms and multi-specialty cottages are proposed all over the state in all existing medical colleges as well as proposed 7 new medical colleges. Outsourcing of the diagnostic facility, we have already outsourced and the private partner is doing very well, particularly in the SMS hospital, Jodhpur Medical College, Bikaner Medical College, and the same facility has to be extended in the remaining medical colleges as well as proposed medical colleges which are likely to be functional within couple of years. Running new medical colleges attached in the district hospital require the same type of services. Running of the State Cancer Institute, this is a proposed institute which is one of the world-class institutes. We have already gone with the MOU with the Senpalewar Foundation of the Liswan Puratgar. The initial investment is 120 crore and it is likely to be increased by 500 crore within 4-5 years. Multi-story super deluxe hotel works, as I have already mentioned, the location will be the every medical college hospital, the land will be available within the campus of the medical college hospital, and the project initial cost is different location-wise. As far as SMS Medical College in capital is concerned, it is around 100 crores and the remaining 6 medical colleges total includes around 300 crores. likely to increase up to 500 crore. New medical colleges, we have already proposed 7 locations for the new medical colleges like Barmer, district headquarters, Dungarpur, this Pali, Bhilwara, Churu, Bharatpur and Alwar. The remaining 13 locations are also there, which has been 2-3 years ago. The survey was conducted by one of the leading agencies, PT Corp, and they found that the 17 other locations are also as good as any medical college hospital. These hospitals are free to give on PPP mode for the future planning and the future establishment of the medical colleges. Outsourcing diagnostic services, contracting out diagnostic services on revenue sharing basis, RMRS would decide the requirement. The prospective licensee who would set up diagnostic facility at the government hospital would be provided space in the hospital campus. This is a new proposal. Access to a large clientele of the government hospital. Doctors would not be allowed to refer the cases from the government hospital at such locations. Of course, BPL patient number 20% will be investigated free of cost. Rates will be regularized through the regulatory committee. It is already established at the state level. At the government level, rate for the investigation not available at medical college laboratory will be subsidized by 40%. The successful bidder will be one who would offer the highest revenue sharing, as the revenue sharing measures are already adopted in the SFS, Jodhpur and the Bikaner medical colleges. Medical Relief Society created to provide autonomy to the medical college hospital, policy to promote private investment and the outsourced diagnostic services. Development of the Manas Arogya Sadan, we have already developed hospital. It is as good as any medical college hospital located in the capital itself in Manas Sarovar. Its name is Manas Arogya Sadan. Although here the planning was different, the investment of the government was 26 crore and the private partner has invested 28 crore. And it is a 250 bedded hospital and supposed to be run with all super specialty including cardiology, cardiothoracic, nephrology, etc. This is the